Do you know what we're making? Chia seed berry pudding. This is a really easy recipe. It is delicious. Your kids, as a sweet dessert, this is tops because they're getting heaps of nutrients. And, you know, as a mother, I always worry, oh, my child's too thin or my child's too big but this has got all the good fats in it and everything, so you know that you're feeding your child some really healthy stuff.
Let me put that in.
Okay, so you have to put it in this one, okay? So it's 1 cup of chia seeds. Use the white one. They just look better for this recipe. No, I want them all in this one because we need to show them how to make it, yeah?
Well, what about mine?
Well, we'll put a little bit in there as well. Here. Would you like that? Okay, there you go. So it's 1 cup of chia seeds, white chia seeds. We use 1 cup of coconut milk. Or coconut cream. Sorry, coconut cream.
Oh.
Yeah, 1 cup of coconut. You can put some in there. You go ahead. Now, I'm using 4 cups of a berry smoothie that I got at a supermarket. I can't tell you what brand it is. But anyway, you can go to the fridge section and you can choose any flavour you want. I've chosen the berry. It's got strawberry, raspberry, banana. It's like those healthy, nothing but fruit in it. So this is nearly 4 cups anyway. So it's 4 cups of any type of nectar or juice that you like, that you prefer. I'm using this one because I know it's nearly 4 cups, the whole thing.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, we could put a little bit in yours. Would you like that? Is that enough?
Yeah.
There we go. And I think you need to use a spoon to mix it. There you go. Now, you have to mix this through really, really well. Make sure the chia seeds are not sticking to the side because you have to leave this in the fridge overnight for it to be a really good pudding. And you want to make sure the chia seeds aren't just clumped into the corner because then it doesn't really soak up all the nectar and the juice, whatever you're using. So you mix it really well. Now, I would put this in a container and I would put it in my fridge overnight. So if the kids in the morning for breakfast, they can even have this for breakfast. It's that good for you. So I'm going to put this aside because we are going to show you the end result. I used a container, this container here. It's so simple. Now, you come closer, you can see the consistency. There you go, that's the consistency of it. So it's runny but thick. So now what you can do before serving it, I use coconut yogurt. You don't have to, it's optional. I use a vanilla flavoured coconut yogurt and 1 cup. I put it in here in the container before serving it and I fold it through. So you just fold it through. It just gives it extra flavour. Oh, you made a really cool one. But did you use all the strawberries that we needed? You did. Okay, so I folded that through and I will serve it, say, for the kids or if you've got visitors, like for a dessert.
Here,
whoa.
have a try.
Yes, as soon as I got, but guess what we're putting on top? My favourite. It's pear and cashew cream. Look at that. It is delicious. You have to try it. If you haven't, go to our website and go into our recipe section. This on top with some fresh berries is seriously awesome. Okay, and Olive didn't leave me many berries, but we're gonna put some in there. So if you're serving it to people that are coming over, there you go. Berry pudding, chia pudding. Eat your heart out.